Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have a nice machine for you. Today I have a 2019 Kubota SVL95-2S. This is a fully loaded skid steer. It has everything in it but the AM/FM radio, and that can be added. This is a 2019. It was sold new 6/20 of 19 and will have full factory warranty until 6/20 of 2021. It will have emissions warranty until 6/20 of 2024. This machine only has 48 hours on it. That's right, a 4 and an 8, 48 hours. It's a brand new skid loader, like new. It has cab heat air, high flow joysticks, 2-speed. It is loaded up, ready to rock and roll. We're going to take you right here to the engine compartment, take you completely around this machine. There's one little ding here in the back door. I want everybody to be aware of that. And there's just a couple scuffs right there in the paint. That's just me being an honest guy. Again, this thing is a like new loader. Paint is beautiful, which it should be. A 48-hour machine, it's a new machine. Everything in here, Kubota 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, starts, runs excellent, no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature, obviously. Again, it is under full warranty. You are buying a machine, it is under full warranty. Guarantee the machine to be 110%. There's no reason you wouldn't. Again, can't stress that enough. People all the time that don't understand. Yes, it is under warranty. Warranty is fully transferable. Sides are in beautiful shape. It's all original paint. Nothing has been touched up. Tracks, both again are the OEM Kubotas. They're Bridgestone track, both match. Comes with an 80-inch OEM Kubota, what you call industrial track loader bucket with bolt-on cutting edge side corners. Up here you got your power 2-pin skid steer quick attach. You have high flow, which is this set here, 3/4 inch faster couplings. Standard flow, 23 gallons a minute, which is going to be your 1/2 inch faster couplings. Case drain, 14-pin attachment control device. Coming over here, you'll see both sides match. Nothing there to hide. I'm going to go ahead and hop in here and we'll show you inside the cab. So, one thing I absolutely love about the Kubota, and it's this. It's great. It's awesome. I can't say enough. It is just absolutely a wonderful door design. You can get out with the boom up a little bit, or the whole way up, whatever you need to do, you can get out. They've done a very good job of that. Let's take you inside here and just show you around. We got halfway through this video just a little bit ago, and we accidentally pushed the stop record button. So, 48.2 hours. DEF system is full. There's all your controls. I love their lap bar system. This thing still has the smell of a new machine in it. Power quick attach switch, headlights, or wiper washer, your AC and heat. You push your AC down to engage your pump. Has the new style control horn, ducted air. Both front and rear windows slide. Foot throttle, hand throttle, cup holder, washer bottle, fully adjustable seat. Turn the camera here back over. We're going to fire this machine up. We're going to take it and run around here and show you it does everything it's supposed to do, just the way we should. Please understand, this is a new machine, like brand new machine, that is under warranty. I can't be any more honest than that. Not every day do you get to find something like this. The first guy is the guy that took the haircut, and he lost money. But here's an opportunity for a man to buy a machine under warranty. We can purchase, if you would want, an extra year's warranty for this. I believe it's right around $1,000, which isn't a bad deal. And you can purchase that right up until its expiration warranty date from any Kubota dealer. That will extend you 1 more year of powertrain warranty through Kubota. So I'm going to go ahead, fire this machine up. We're going to run it around, show you everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. guys, there you have it. Look how nice that is to get in and out of. 2019 Kubota SVL95-2S cab, heat, air, power attach, joystick, suspension seat, high flow, under warranty, 48-hour machine, OEM factory bucket. You won't find a nice one on the market. Here is something to come take a look at, understand. It is a machine, it is under warranty. If you want to purchase the extended warranty on it for 1 year, it's right around $1,000, and I can get you that information. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. If you want to combine renters yourself in person, I have nothing to hide. I don't pull any punches. I tell you the way it is, and we'll still have some guy call and say, "Was that machine really the way is it?" I don't mean that to be rude or anything. I'm being funny, but yes, we are honest people. That's why we take the time to do these videos. That's why I take an obscene amount of photos. I'm a serious seller, always looking for serious buyers. But the truth of the matter is, we like to buy nice late model, low hour stuff that has factory warranty. It's something that I've been known to do for a long time, and I love stuff like this because it's, what do you need to do? Nothing. It's ready to go. We have washed and waxed this machine. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. I do have the books and manuals for it, and it will come with two keys. So again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much always for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.